In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Canva projects to another Canva account. If you've ever wanted to move your designs between accounts, maybe from a personal profile to a team account or just to share your work more efficiently, this is exactly what you need. The process is simple, but it does require a Canva Pro account. Let's jump right in. First, open the Canva website and sign into the account that currently holds your project. Once you're logged in, head to the project section or open the specific design you want to transfer. Take a second to confirm that you're working in the correct account, especially if you manage multiple Canva logins. With your design open, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the Share button. This is where Canva keeps all the different ways you can share or export your work. Inside the sharing menu, scroll until you find the option called Template Link. This feature is what allows you to create a copy of your design that can be used in another account. Keep in mind, this option is only available for Canva Pro users. If you're on the free plan, you won't see it. Once you've located Template Link, click it. Canva will then give you a button labeled Create Template Link. Select that, and in just a moment, a unique link will be generated for your design. This link is the key to transferring your project. It contains all your design elements, layout, colors, text, and graphics, so the new account can open it as a fully editable template. After the link appears, click Copy Link and keep it ready. You can paste it into a note or keep it in your clipboard for now. Next, you'll need to switch to the Canva account that you want to move the project into. To do this, go to the top right corner of your screen and click your profile photo or account name. A small drop-down menu will appear. Select the other Canva account from there. If you're not already signed in, log into that second account manually. Once you're in the new Canva account, go up to the browser's address bar, paste the template link you copied earlier, and press Enter. Canva will instantly load the design from your first account and take you to a page that says, Use this template. Click. Use template and Canva will automatically create a brand new editable version of your project in the second account. Everything from your original design will be there, fonts, photos, and layouts, ready for you to continue editing or customizing however you like. And just like that, you've successfully transferred your Canva project from one account to another. This method is especially handy for designers collaborating with clients or teams. Instead of manually rebuilding a design or exporting and re-uploading files, you can hand off a clean, ready-to-use template in seconds. A quick note, using a template link doesn't remove your original design from the first account. It just creates a copy in the second one, so your original version stays safe and unchanged, giving you full control and backup security. To recap, you opened your Canva design, clicked the Share button, selected Template Link, created and copied the link, switched to your other account, pasted the link in the browser, and clicked Use Template. That's all it takes. This process saves time, keeps your designs consistent, and helps you move projects across accounts with zero hassle. If this tutorial helped you, go ahead and give the video a like, subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you'd like to see next.